afternoon, we're here at the St Austell Printing Company. Now this being very local to Lappa and very sustainable.
Now, we've come along to see our new 2025 leaflet being printed this afternoon, straight off the press, as they say. And here's our great friend John from St Austell Print, who's going to show us around this absolutely fantastic building.
Lovely to see you again.
And you, John.
And you, Ben.
Hello, John.
Hello, me.
Very much enjoyed that, didn't you?
But do you know, Ben, that was really interesting. And this, our very first leaflet for 25-26. What a fantastic place St Austell Print is. They've shown us right around their factory, and it's so sustainable and only 10 miles away from Lappa Valley. I think, Ben, we've had a great afternoon.
It's been fantastic, and thanks to Peter and John for their time showing us around.
We've really appreciated it.